How often your mom or father tells you you are no longer a baby? Although of course many times they also must be saying you are not big enough. Now what is this? You must be wondering, am I baby or am I adult? And there is a difficulty in getting an answer. Also, you must be seeing that you are growing tall, and if you are a boy, then a little of muchi is appearing, a little line of hair which is getting little darker, and you must be feeling very proud of this. Gain of height, voice becoming deep, appearance of facial hair, the girls becoming wider below their waist, development of breasts, and so many changes. What is happening? The usual expression is the terrible teens, the teenagers, the musty and fun loving people, they are the teenagers. The teen aches also are there. Pimples are there, so much of criticism is there. You want to be independent, you want to do your things, and your parents are checking you. You are not grown up enough. You want to be pampered like a baby, and you are not a baby. So, all this is what we are going to talk about. Close to your heart? Yeah, it's very close to my heart as well. I remember my teenage. So, what we are going to study today is that teenagers scientifically are called adolescents. So, what is actually adolescent? Scientifically speaking, when a child is born, the child is not capable of reproduction or producing more of one's own kind. That development comes only after a certain age. Of course, when the child is born, the child is totally dependent upon the adults, can't move on his own, cannot talk. There are so many things that the child cannot do. But as they grow up, by the age of 8 or 9, they are fairly independent. The development has taken place, yet they are only the miniature form of human beings, and they are incapable of reproduction. The reproduction maturity comes only after a certain age, and that is adolescence. So, how will we define adolescence? Adolescence is that period of life when changes take place, changes taking place lead to reproductive maturity. That is adulthood. So, the mature adolescence is concerned with changes, and those changes are ultimately leading to reproductive maturity.